Hi, I'm Lori from Quilters Headquarters in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. I just wanted to give you guys a tour of our new expanded inventory within our store. So we've been working for almost a year getting in more fabric and more doodads, more notions, more everything. And so we've recently rearranged and we are ready to take a tour. So Bob's going to hand me the camera now. And we will thank Bob. Sorry about all of that. There's Bob. All right, first guy on the tour. So I'll try not to make you guys dizzy with all of my movement here. We'll start out with our new block of the month that begins in September. You can always check that out on www.quiltersheadquarters.com. We'll provide a link below. And over here, I'll move a little slower. So we have all sorts of sewing machines. We have our Pfaff sewing machines, our Juki sewing machines, and as you can see, quilts galore all over the store. Okay. Move slow, Lori. I know sometimes when I watch videos I get a little nauseated. We move too fast. Okay, so here's the side of our store with all our new fabrics. Lots and lots of new fabrics. Darcy's busy working at the long arm. Say hi, Darcy.
Hello.
Way back there. Here's Darcy quilting quilts for us.
The machine because it's loud.
Yes. So Darcy is our machine quilter. She will quilt your quilts for you. You get to pick the pattern and the thread color and just come in and give us a quilt and she will do expert quilting on it. Right, Darce?
Yes. You're too kind, but yes.
Absolutely. All right, so we're going to walk around here a little bit. And I'm really trying hard not to go too fast. So you can see we've got rows and rows and rows of fabric. We've pulled in batiks, island batiks, Timeless Treasures Tongas, what else? Robert Kaufman. We increased our inventory of wide backs, as you can see on that wall. And I'll go a little higher and you can see our wall of panels. Let me go a little farther down. Notice we had to go 3-tier high on some of our fabrics to make more room. And we're coming back on the classroom where I hear some things going on in the back. Who's behind the corner? There's Chris.
Hi.
Looking busy in our classroom area.
And the tapestry kits.
Awesome. She's making kits like crazy for that tapestry quilt I just showed you. And let's see. More patterns. More doodads. More quilts on the back wall. Chris has had a lot of fun with Elizabeth Hartman, right, Chris?
Yep.
Elizabeth Hartman quilts. Back here is our embroidery section. So we have Pfaff embroidery machines. We have a nice affordable Sparrow X machine. Don't forget to sign up for our Sparrow X event in September, I think. August. Look at www.quiltersheadquarters.com. Our full line of Hemingworth thread. Our new line of Embellish from R&K, plus all of their stabilizers and more doodads. Our full line of Isocord thread that we just got in, all 423 colors. And boy, did Darcy have fun putting together the Isocord and the Embellish. And of course, we have tons and tons of fat quarters everywhere. Our long arms, not to be forgotten. We have the 21-inch Unique, the 15-inch Unique, and more sewing machines back there. So I would turn the camera around if I could, but I can't. So thanks for joining us. Check us out on Facebook.com. Give us a like if you like us, so that'd be awesome. Thank you very much.